Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to solve exponential equations like this one. Okay, so the question says solve 5 to the power negative 3x is equal to 125. Okay, so first of all, rewrite this given equation. So we have 5 to the power negative 3 x is equal to 125. So now for you to solve this equation, in other words, you are looking for the value of x. You are solving for x. So for you to solve this equation, you need to make sure that on both sides of this equation, the left-hand side and the right-hand side have the same bases. So you have to make the bases the same. So this is a base, and then when you look at this, we have it is same as 125 to the power 1. So we have the base 5 here and we have the base 125. Okay, so we have the base here which is 5, and then negative 3x is a power. Then on the right we have 125 as a base, and then you have 1 as a power. Now we need to make sure that the bigger number has the base, or the bigger base is reduced or is changed into a smaller base. So in this case, we need to change this 125 into a smaller base, which is 5. So on the left, we are going to have 5 to the power negative 3x is equal to, remember we want to change this into base 5. So we are going to write 5 here. Now, what should be the power? Okay, we're going to write like this. Now, what should be the power? Okay, so you start checking. If you say 5 to the power 2, if 5 to the power 2 is same as 5 times 5, which is 25, and it's not giving us 125. What about 5 to the power 3? So 5 to the power 3 is same as 5 times 5, which is 25, times 5, it's 125. So meaning here in the box, we are going to have a 3. So we are having 5 to the power 3 giving us back 125. Okay, now here you can see that the bases are the same. So by the laws of indices, if you have a number, let's say a number a raised to the power m, and this number is a is equal to another number a which has been raised to the power n. So you can see that the bases are the same, and here you have an equal sign. So meaning the powers are equal. So therefore the powers are going to be equal. M is equal to n. Okay, so in this case the base is 5, and the bases are since the bases are the same, we are going to equate the powers. So we are going to have negative 3x is equal to 3 is equal to 3. Now to solve for x, we divide through by negative 3. Okay, negative 3 divided by negative 3, this will go. We have x is equal to, or this is actually negative 3. So 3 divided by negative 3, it's negative 1. So the value of x is negative 1. You can actually prove. So let's say proof. You can prove it. Okay. Remember, in the first place, we have this equation. So in this equation, where there is x, we are going to put the value for x that we found. So the initial equation is 5 to the power negative 3x and should give 125. So we're going to have 5 to the power negative 3 times negative 1. Where there's x, we've put negative 1, which is this, is equal to 125. So we should, on the left, you should have 125, and on the right, we should have 125. Then the value of x is true. But in an exam, you don't need to do this. We're just proving this so that you see if really x is negative 1. So we're going to have 5. Negative 3 times 1 times negative 1 is positive 3. Because negative times negative is positive, you should get 125. So 5 to the power 3 is same as 5 times 5 times 5. And this gives 125. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. So truly, this value here is correct. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe for more maths lessons. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.